everybody. So I have the PlayStation 5 and I have a pair of Bose QC-35 headphones that I wanted to use to pair with it because these things sound 100% amazing. Like, you can hear everything from them. So I ordered the Avantree C-81 off of Amazon because I wanted to see if it would let me pair them, and it only cost like 20 something, like $26 for the Bluetooth adapter. It's really easy to set up and hook up, but the problem I was having when I hooked them up, I could only hear the gameplay, but I had no talkback. I found out right after that when I sent the message on YouTube. It's really simple. Once you connect the headphones, all you do is you double tap the adapter that's plugged into the PlayStation 5, and it turns on the talkback, and then you can scroll down and you can see exactly where your microphone levels are at. So I used it last night. The sound was amazing. So yeah, if you want any of this gear, the link will be in the description. And if you guys buy anything on my channel or from my channel, of course it helps me out. And then of course you can get anything on Amazon that you choose, because Amazon is kind of cool. Thanks guys. Peace.
View from your old apartment, the sunrise over the sea, and mornings were always way too bright in the first sunbeams of the day.